Hello everyone, and welcome to my 6th Java video tutorial. And in this video we're going to be talking a little more about strings, because strings are very important in programming. So we're going to go over a couple things. Make sure your application looks just like this. Okay, so make sure your code looks just like that. We'll be recycling our previous application. Okay, so as you probably remember, strings are just a series of characters. Okay, it could be a combination of numbers or letters. All right, so we'll go ahead and create two variables of type string. So we'll type in string. We'll call it var1 equals, and you can put anything you want. You could put Java. Okay, and then for our second variable, which will also be of type string, we'll assign it the value is awesome. Okay, let's go ahead and create another variable called var3, and we'll assign the value is boring. Okay, so we have three variables here, and they are of type string, and they each have different values. First one has the value of Java, second one has the value of is awesome, and third one has the value of is boring. So again, just a reminder, anything that goes inside the system.out.println gets output onto the console window, which is this right here. So if we were to do var1, again, that's going to output Java. The cool thing is that we can put things together, and this is called concatenation. Concatenation is just a fancy word for putting stuff together. So we'll go ahead and do var1 plus var2, and you guessed it, it'll show Java is awesome. But as you can see, it does add everything like together. It just connects everything together. There is no space on here. So in order to fix this, we can either add a space here, or we can add a space here. I would add a space here, because then that way we don't have to add a space for variable 2 or variable 3. See, Java is awesome. And of course, if we lie to ourselves and we put var1 plus var3, it will display this, which is not true, right? We'll go ahead and switch it back to var2, and Java is awesome. All right, so let's go ahead and delete these last two variables. Now let's go ahead and add some numbers to this. So var1, let's say var1 is 4. Okay, and actually let's go ahead and create another variable, and we'll assign it the value of 1. And remember, these are strings, so we need to encase everything in quotes, okay, quotation marks. So we have a variable, we have var1 with the value of 4, and we have var2 with a value of 1. So if we go ahead and do var1 plus var2, what do you think will display on the screen? You think it'll be 5? Let's go ahead and see. It'll actually be 41. And the reason for this is because strings are not numbers. They're just static. We can't really do math operations with them. So it's just grabbing 4 and 1, and it's putting them together, but it's not adding them. So that's why it displays 41 instead of 5. Okay, because this 4 and 1, they're not regular numbers, they're strings. Okay, Um, to prove that, we can put Java 4 on here. We can actually go ahead and write var1 plus var2. And you can see that things are really treated just like characters. Like the numbers are treated like characters. They're not treated like numbers. You can't add them or multiply or do any math with them. Okay. That is pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching. Again, my name is Andre. Hope you like this video, and stay tuned for my other video tutorials. My next one, we're going to be going over user input, and we're going to be going over the scanner so that we can get information from the user. It'll be really cool stuff, I promise. All right, well, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.